Welcome dear students. In this video, we will learn about working with Microsoft Word, and the topic covered under this video are text, moving and copying text, formatting the text, changing. Under formatting text, we will discuss changing font of the text, changing the font size of text, changing font appearance, that is bold, italics, underline, highlighting the text, and using mini toolbar to apply the formatting to the text. Demonstration about the Word. The commands we are going to discuss. Open Microsoft Word. Here for the demonstration, Word app is used for the that is from Windows 10. You can have any other version of Word. Word 2016 have similar options, but the options I am going to tell will be moreover same different version of Word. For example, I have some text here already typed. The first discussion is selecting the text. To select the text, before any text, it appears as a highlighted text. So if you, first point, if you want to select a word, double click on the word, it will get selected. To select the sentence, hold down the control key and select the sentence, or take the mouse pointer at the beginning of the sentence and click. So take the mouse pointer at beginning of the sentence and click. If you see this, when you click a sentence or a text, word or a paragraph, this toolbar is automatically coming when you select a text. This toolbar is called mini toolbar. Third is selecting a paragraph. Take the mouse pointer over the paragraph you want to select and click 3 times. The whole paragraph will be selected. I am repeating. I have told here selecting a word. To select a word, you have to double click the word you want to select. To deselect any selected area, just click outside the selected area. The area will be deselected. To select the sentence, take the mouse pointer at the beginning of sentence and press and click the mouse button, or you can hold the control key and select the sentence. To select the paragraph, take the mouse pointer over the paragraph and click the 3 times click the mouse. Select any part of text. You have to place the mouse pointer at the beginning position and drag the mouse pointer to select the text. In this way, you can select the text and click anywhere outside the selected text area. The text will be deselected. Next topic is moving and copying the text. Moving means you are just cutting the text from there. I mean, you are moving text from the original location to another location. Select the text. Now here you have the option to use option from mini toolbar, or you can press Ctrl X for cut, or you can simply press cut from here. Take the mouse pointer at the location where you want to copy, click on paste, or click on Ctrl V option. You can click on paste. So till the time you are not copying the new text, you can click on paste button. It will copy the text. So to undo any work, press Ctrl Z. Next part comes copying a text. Moving means from one location, from original location, you are pasting text at another location. For copy, select the text, click on copy button, or say Ctrl C. Take the position where you want to paste and press Ctrl V or press paste option. So difference between copy and cut is, in case of cut, the original text moves to another location, whereas in copy option, the text gets duplicated at the another location. So this is about cut and copy, and your work automatically gets saved after every 10 minutes in Microsoft Word. You can change this saving time, and you can select the text. Another way to select the text is by using arrow keys and the mouse. So using arrow keys, select, take the mouse pointer at the beginning of the text, and if you want to select the text towards right, so you have to press right arrow key to select the text. If you press shift plus end, it will select that sentence. If you press page shift plus page down, will select the text and of entire page. So you can also use key method to select the text. Now the next topic is formatting of text. For formatting of text, first I'll discuss about the formatting toolbar, which is available at home option. This is font. This option contains all the options related to formatting of text. This option contains options related to paragraph. First, I will discuss the option of formatting text using this formatting toolbar. For this, you have to select the text. What is formatting? Formatting is making changes to the text. So formatting is, what is formatting? Formatting is making changes to the text or document to make it more attractive and beautiful. Now how we can make the text attractive and beautiful? By changing the size of the font. For example, I want to change this Walt Disney, color of Walt Disney, and now right now this is a black color text. I want to change the appearance of text so that it looks attractive and beautiful. That concept is called formatting text. So we can format our document mainly by using font group and paragraph group in the home tab. So this is font tab, font group, this is paragraph group, this is home tab. Now under this I'll discuss one by one all the concepts. So this is font. This is font size. This is bold, italics, underline, strike through. Strike through will cut the text. So I'll tell you options, every option one by one. Let's first talk about this font option, font group options. Number one is changing the font of a text. So here so many fonts are given. I have selected this font. Number two is the size of the font. Click on size down arrow key and select the size you want. Next comes changing the font color. Select the text. Now if I want to select this text as a red color, select the text. Click here on the down arrow and select the text. And now I will select other text. Select the text. Click on down arrow. Select the color option. This will change. Next is, now what we have done, we have changed the font, we have changed the font size, we have changed the font color. Now next comes bold, italics, underline. I want to make this text bold. So I'll click on bold. I want to make it italics too. So I'll make I. I want to make it underline. Control U or click on underline button. Sometimes we want to cancel the text, so I will press strike through. Then if I want to increase the font, so this will increase my font size. This button is used to decrease the font size. If you see, shortcut keys are given. Next comes here text effects. If you click here, it will show you different type of text effects. You can select the text effect. Different text effects are given when you click this button. If you want to have reflection of a word, it will show reflection. of the word. So in this way you can apply formatting feature to the text. Select the text, click on effect option, select the effect options and click on other options you want to apply. Suppose I want to apply shadow option, so it will come like this. Next comes highlighting the text. Select the text, click on highlighter. This is text highlighter. You can change the text highlighter color. It will highlight the text. So I have told you about this font, complete font group here in this video. This is for just options, font, font size, bold, italic, underline, strike through, increase font, decrease font, giving if text effects and typography to the font, text highlight color and changing the font color. If I click on this option, it will clear all the formatting. Next is subscript and superscript. Now see how we can use this. If I want to write x square plus y square, so I will select 2 and I will click on x square. Similarly, I will click this and click on x square. Now I want to write H2O. And I want to make 2 as a subscript. So I'll select and put the subscript. Subscript comes as a footer to a character and superscript comes as a to the head part of the character. So now I'll discuss shortcut keys for the effects or for the options I have discussed in this video. Description and the shortcut key of the task. Control C to copy. Control V is to paste. Control plus X to cut the text. Control Z undo the operation. Control plus Y redo the operation. Control plus B to make a character bold. Control plus I to make the character italics. Control U is to underline. And control plus equal to is a subscript. And control plus shift plus equal to is a shortcut key for the superscript. Now you can try all these options. Open Microsoft Word, write some text and try to apply all the operations on it. Thank you so much.